All right, people. So welcome again to MG Sports TV. Yes, another preview show, and we're gonna discuss some football. But there is one particular topic I need to touch on, and this has been a topic that has been discussed for many years now in Jamaican football, and that is brand of football, style of play, and all these factors. So this is one of the topics that I really want to touch on tonight. Let me just make it fix the output. So it's definitely one of the one. I'm not saying it's not going to be a heated topic. It's just going to be a topic, and that topic is going to surround Clarendon College and their brand of football. Now, the big question that I've been asking for years in Jamaica is, who played the best football or the best brand of football in Jamaica? And all fingers and toes, you can't point. So if you point, so one finger go so, 1, 2, 3, I go back to you, and then you have the one that will go so. So all pointing I go towards Clarendon College. But why? Why Clarendon College can identify, especially a school, can identify in Jamaica as the best brand of football? When we have a major league, we have all the respective federation our parish association major leagues. We have the Kasafa Major League, or the Kasafa Championship. That's what they used to call Super League. We have all of these things, but yet still, we have the Jamaica Premier League, but yet still, a school is identified as playing the best brand of football in Jamaica. Now, I'm going to show you guys a goal. I'm going to show you guys a goal where CC made 14. Initially I thought it was 15 passes. It's actually 14 passes. When I was doing the points, the counting thing. And I'm going to show you guys the video. And that video is going to show, it's going to identify some of the key fundamentals and basic requirements of football teams who play that particular brand of football. And I'm going to show you that business. But beyond everything, Clarendon College is a team that play the best brand of football from my perspective. And I've seen a lot of football, and I've been to many places, and I've seen a lot of football. I would say close to it you have Mount Pleasant. Cavaliers used to play like that, but I then kind of switch up them thing and now. Maybe Dumby Hole and play a little bit of that now, because Lenny and I would have gone to Dumby Hole Dumby Hole was a possession-based team, but not that patient like Clarendon College. But Lenny is there now, so maybe you're gonna see a little bit more of that. But before I do that, people, please want to do the YouTube stuff. We want to do the YouTube stuff, which is hitting the like button, smashing the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Plenty of rescheduled game for Issa to work out as you see there. But this is actually also the preview and review show. So we are going to get on that. So first of all, let me just do the first thing, and I'm going to show you guys the goal that they scored. Let me see if I can bring it up. Oh, me pause it. Take myself out that way. So this goal has a lot to do with patience, time, just no rush, just take your time, play the ball around. And one of the... Me soon get to that. So let me get to this first. Let me just play this first, people. So stand by and listen and look at what I'm going to show you, people. Look at this. Have a look at this. I think that was the second one. 2. So each time you hear the ping, each time you hear that ping, people, it's a pass. So let me play it again. I don't know if you're not here. Let me know if you're here. Big up everybody. Massive respect. Really appreciate the super chat. Each time you hear the ping, it's basically a pass. So let me just go through it again. I'm still a celebrate. I think I'm gonna show the other aspect of the goal. Me kind of do a little slow motion thing. Yeah, right. That's what I do, a little slow motion thing. After the back heel. Initially, I think it was a shot from Kaim, you know. I think it was a shot from Papi, you know. But that positioning from that's one. The first pass. Good. Patient. No rush. Play the ball around. Someone will move out of position. All right, so I think you guys basically get the understanding of what exactly I'm trying to say. Now, when you look at the development of that goal, they were in no rush. Just take them time, play the ball around, move the ball here, move it there, and just until the goal come. They were in no rush, none whatsoever. None. I mean no rush at all. Because they knew the goal will come at some point. They take them time, play it around. The likes of Roofy. No, well look at this one. Malachi Douglas had link up with everybody. Just a link up. Here, it's right there. Moving there. Linking up with wingers, midfielders. Just Malachi just a link up. Touch, move. Then now you have Kaim Dixon, Papi, and Kaim Dixon, and spin up just in the midfield. Then it's a move all over the place. Then it's a move. And consistently a move. I pull the defenders them out of position, build up, not here, not there. And when you look at these things, you know, you wonder, you ask yourself the question, why can't we see these with more teams in Jamaica? I want to, me and somebody have a discussion there, and I do think that there's a lot of fundamental issues. There are a lot of fundamental issues that's missing why we don't. But I do think that if one team can do, back in the days, as Shane said, back in the days, Portman United usually do the same thing. Now, one of the key person behind this is Sammy. No, a lot of you guys don't know Sam, but he's one of the key persons. He was one of the persons who fundamentally developed these basic aspects of football within these players, and these players have been training together for years. They have been coming through the youth system from the U10, U12, U13, U14, U15, U16, come right up until they are playing that Casa Cup together. So that goes to show the level that the expectations that's on these youngsters back. So it's wonderful to see, and I do think that at some point in time we have to go and take the template from CC and say, hey, what is happening here? How can we impart this on more teams in Jamaica? Because as Shane said, no, when I do on a review show one night, I know Shane said the problem with teams going up against CC is most teams are not used to playing against a team like that. They're always expecting teams to be coming at them consistently, just pushing the ball, just coming and you can just clear the ball out quick, just from two down, defending to attacking. But when you're going up against a CC now, they just have the ball, so you really don't know what to do. And most coaches don't necessarily train a team without the ball. They don't really train a team. That's a general concept that I have seen across Jamaica, that most coaches in Jamaica do not train their team without the ball. So when we face a team that has good possession of the ball, we are in trouble. We are telling players them to press when we don't even train them over press cohesively and as a unit. We're telling them, go over the and press. So there's a run guy in their position, and then they expose the entire back line. That, like for example, that's something that we've seen with Craig Butler over here. He's sending players them to press, and they expose the entire back line. And then it makes sense. When they attack, boom forward, entire back line exposed. But when CC press, them press and also remain in shape. So even if them press and win the ball, they can drop off, pick up other spaces, and recover the ball same way. So we have to definitely look at that. And we have seen it in so much coaches. I've seen coaches who try press, now have a clue about pressing, then them have to just pull off them players. Because we don't, as I said, we don't coach our teams to press like that. So that's something that I definitely believe that we need to work on. So we'll close off where that is concerned on CC. Too much nice man CC. And seen at the formula for CC coming up soon. So big up yourself. Anyways, people, we're gonna discuss some other aspects